Hey, welcome back to Arona's channel. In this channel, you will find so many informations and solutions for your life. So please like, comment, and subscribe. So don't miss it. In this moment, I want to say about how to start a conversations. Do you know Oprah Winfrey? Yeah, she is a famous woman who has excellent skills to have conversations. Yeah, I believe to start conversation is an excellent skill because not all people can do that. When you meet a new person or build network at work, you need these skills much. Conversations is not just talks, skills are needed. So how to start a conversation well? Just check it out. Number 1. Collect all informations. Collect all informations about the person you want to talk is important because it's an effective way to build relationships. With these informations, you can take the conversations better. Number 2. Positive comments. Positive comments will make the person you talk with feel pleasures. Positive comments will make the conversations can go deeper and you can handle them well. Number 3. Introduce yourself. Conversation will start by introducing. Start it from yourself. I believe if you introduce well, they will give you good response. Then you can ask much questions. Number 4. Offer help. You can offer someone some help if possible. A little help from you can start a good conversation. Even you can build the relationships closer with them. Number 5. Ask about them. You can choose the topic that will allow the person to speak about themselves. Give a good response and you can start a conversation better and let it go on. Number 6. Ask about their opinion. Many people will happily respond to your questions when you ask about their opinion. People will feel glad when you ask them. Their opinion is a good thing to start conversations. Talking with someone is not something very easy. Sometimes you will lose your confidence to talk with someone, or maybe you are blank, don't know what you should have to ask. But experience has always been a good teacher. Just practice it more and more. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.